चलो शुरू करते हैं फिर। क्या आज रेसिपी नहीं कर रहे? Oh, I have to think this. I think I started cooking when I came to US. It was more of a necessity, so we started cooking. And then once I moved out of school, once I started working, then it kind of improved. I was born in Kashmir, Srinagar, and then my family moved to New Delhi. So I've done my entire schooling in Delhi before I moved to Bangalore for my further studies. Earliest memory of cooking, I would say, is I don't remember how old I was. I think I was 10 or 12. One of the relatives had visited our place, and I think my mom had made suji halwa that week or the week before. So I was kind of, craving to have some more, and then since someone had visited, there was a reason, so I said, okay, I'll cook it. That's the oldest memory I have, that I made that suji halwa. I follow Gordon Ramsay a lot. I love the finesse with what he make things and the ease that he brings out with any difficult dish as well. Recently I've been seeing Ranveer Raj's videos. Otherwise, for ideas I keep just looking around here and there. I do. That's how I started. At least, like I started from the scratch. I like creating recipes. So you need ideas every now and then. So after a point, you reach that saturation point where you cannot create from scratch. So then I start searching few things, elements, and then I try to combine things. But whenever I'm doing a recipe, I try to make sure I'm not making an already known recipe, or rather, if I am, then I still try to give it some of my touch. But the actual idea is to create something which I can say is my own creation. I think there are two. One is biryani. I am a big biryani fan. I think which normally a lot of people are. So I think I really like the recipe I created for biryani, and the recent addition is wings after I got my air fryer. Two things that I like doing. One is sleeping. I like to sleep a lot. It just feels nice. I like being lazy. Other thing, I would say I started realizing the importance of healthy diet and healthy eating and maintaining a body. So last couple of years I've been focusing a lot on getting back in shape. So I think I was little overweight 2 years ago, and then I started getting back in shape. So that's, I would say, two hobbies that I do outside of cooking. I think one is I've started learning guitar. I need to give it time. With all the recipe videos and work, I hardly get any time. So I think that would be one thing that I'm trying to learn this year. Other than that, the second thing would be I need to get more hands-on with baking, something I don't do a lot. So that's one more thing that I'm trying to improve on. Yeah, I think there are a few especially when I started the channel. So I'm not a baking or a dessert person. I was always into savory. I think the first time I made whipped cream, it was so horrible that it was flowing out. It's supposed to stand. So yeah, that's the worst I guess I've done. Favorite cuisine, top two. If Indian is counted as cuisine, then that, obviously. I think I would narrow it down to Kashmiri. That's what I've grown up eating. And then second one will be Thai. I love the flavors. It's closer to Indian with the curry base, and I like the sweet sourness and tanginess that they get in those curries. I love sushi. It was not my top preference a few years ago, but then I tried it once and then I started liking it so much. Probably I would like to go to Japan someday and try it out there. One, I think biryani. I can eat that. I've actually eaten biryani 5 days straight. Other two, I would say, second one would be wings, chicken wings. I can eat any number of chicken wings at any point in time. Third, I'm not sure what can I eat. Third, I think is not a meal, but French fries. So I think that I can just eat anytime. I actually get cravings for French fries a lot. So yeah.